Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this Cajun loaded baked potato, so let's get started with the video. Begin by cleaning 3 large potatoes and then place the potatoes on a tinfoil covered baking sheet. Then coat them in olive oil and a bit of salt. When you finish coating your potatoes, place them in the oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Make sure your potatoes are done by piercing them with a fork. If you can easily pierce your potato with a fork and it goes all the way through, then your potatoes are finished cooking. Next, cut a thin layer lengthwise off the top of your potato. Then scoop the insides out into a large bowl. When you're finished, place the potato back on the baking sheet. Then repeat this process with the rest of your potatoes. Now mash the potatoes in the bowl. When you finish mashing your potatoes, mix in 4 tablespoons of butter. Then add 3/4 cup of milk, and 3/4 cup of sour cream. When you finish mixing in the sour cream and milk, add 3/4 teaspoon of pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a 1/2 cup of green onions. Once you've added all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set it to the side. Next, take your potatoes and place a few slices of mozzarella cheese on the inside at the bottom of your potato. Then add your baked potato filling. Repeat this process with the rest of your potatoes. When you finish filling your potatoes, all you have to do now is add cheese on top. I'm adding mozzarella cheese and sharp cheddar cheese on top of my potatoes. Once you've added your cheese, place your potatoes in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Now we're going to make the sauce. In a pan over medium heat, add some sliced andouille sausages. Cook the sausages until they have browned on each side. When you finish cooking your sausage, take it out the pan and set it to the side. Then add some butter. Once the butter is melted, add about 5 to 7 pieces of shrimp. I already deshelled, deveined, and cleaned these shrimp. Once you've added your shrimp, you can go ahead and season them. I seasoned my shrimp with pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay, Cajun seasoning, and paprika. After you season your shrimp, sauté them for about 4 to 5 minutes or until completely cooked. Once your shrimp have finished cooking, take them out of the pan and set them to the side. Next, add a 1/4 cup of diced onions and a 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers. Sauté your onions and peppers for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once you finish cooking your onions and peppers, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and then cook everything together for about 1 to 2 more minutes. Then add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix everything together and then let your sauce simmer until it starts to become thick. Once your sauce starts to become thick, mix in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Creole Seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun Seasoning. Mix everything together until well combined, and after that your sauce is all finished. Once you finish making your sauce, your baked potato should be finished cooking in the oven. Now that the sauce is finished and the potatoes are cooked, we can go ahead and plate everything up. Place your baked potato on a plate, then add a few scoops of your Cajun sauce. After adding the sauce, top your baked potato with the shrimp and sausages from before. Then add some green onions and paprika on top and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This was absolutely delicious. The baked potato was well seasoned, the Cajun sauce went with it perfectly, and the sausage was so good with it as well. 10 out of 10 would totally make again. By the way, if you want your Cajun sauce to be spicier, then I recommend adding a bit more Cajun seasoning and some cayenne pepper. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!